third graders, we are going to take a look at your targets for Reading Unit 5, Week 1. I can use context clues to determine vocabulary meaning. I can analyze and make connections to the text using text to text, text to self, and text to world references. And I can piece information together to form new ideas or create an inference. Let's look more carefully at your comprehension strategy of making connections. You are going to use your schema. Your schema is what you already know. Use your schema to make connections. Answer these questions. If you're making a connection to yourself, you can ask, what does this remind me of in my life? What is similar to my life? What is different from my life? And what are my feelings while I read this? If you are making a text-to-text connection, you can ask yourself, what does this remind me of in other books I've read? How is this similar to other books I've read? How is this text different from other books I've read? And if you are making connections to the world, you can ask yourself, what does this remind me of in the real world? How is this text similar to things that have happened in the real world? And how is this text different from things that happen in the real world? The other comprehension strategy that we are focusing on this week is making inferences. So let's take a closer look at that comprehension strategy. When you make inferences, you draw conclusions. You draw conclusions about a text by piecing together prior knowledge and text evidence. So you start with your schema. That's your prior knowledge, or what you already know. You add it or put it together with clues or evidence that you found in the text. When you put those two together, you can infer or make an inference, which is an educated guess or conclusion that you may draw. We are going to work on the vocabulary pages today inside your Unit 5 Week 1 packet. So go ahead and find those vocabulary pages, and the first word that you need to write down is purchase. That will go in the center, and then the definition is something bought or paid for. So pause this video anytime for as long as you need to write what you need to complete your vocabulary. The sentence will be, he needs to go to the store to purchase new pencils. That is your sentence. Make sure you start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Underline the vocabulary word in the sentence. Your visual is going to be a picture or illustration that you draw in that section of your graphic organizer. And we are not going to fill in the box that says more. So once you draw a quick picture, you can cross out this box that says more. The next vocabulary word we're going to look at is trial. And the definition, or what that means, is the act or process of testing or trying something. Your sentence will be, we dog sat for a friend as a trial to see if we could handle the responsibilities of a pet. In the visual box, you are going to draw a picture. This is just an example of something that you could draw. You could also draw something different, as long as when you see that picture, it helps you remember that the word trial means the act or process of testing or trying something.